Hello everyone, welcome to SAP2000 video tutorial. In this video, we will see how to define time history in SAP2000. We will define time history in the structure. So, how we can do that? To do that, we will go to define. From define, we will go to functions and then time history. Define time history function window. From here, we can choose the type of the function. We have different type of options. Cosine from file, so if we have a time history from previous file, we can input from here. I will select sine function. For that, I'll click on add new function. So from this window, first of all, I will rename it as th time history function, which is sine function. Period, I'll let it as 1 second, and number of steps per cycle 20, number of cycles 5, and amplitude I will set it as 2, so you must check it will also convert to 2, as you can see. After that, we'll click on OK. So our function is here, the function has been added. For that, I'll click on OK. Then we will add this function to the load case. So to do that, we'll go to define and then load cases. So from define load cases, we will add a new load case. Before that, we will modify the previous defined model load case. To do that, we'll go to modify or show load case. After that, we will select the type of modes to res vectors. After that, we will select the number of modes, maximum number of modes as 2, and minimum will be 1, as we will only apply this load case to the x direction. After that, the load type, load pattern will be acceleration to the UX direction, and maximum cycles 0, target dynamic participation ratio is 99. Then we will click on add. After that, we will click on OK. So our model load case has been modified. We will now add new load case. The new load case name will be time history, and load case type will be time history. Analysis type will be linear, solution type will be model, and history type will be transient. After that, we will work on loads applied. So the load type will be acceleration in the E1 direction. The function will be th sine, and the scale factor will be 1. Then we will click on add. We have some extra information here. Time step data, number of output time steps is default 100, and output time step size is 0.1. so if we select our time is equals to 0.2, so the output time step size will be 0.02, and the number of output time steps will be 500, and the model damping constant at 0.05. so damping ratio is here 5%. We can modify from here. As you can see, model damping type, it is constant damping for all modes, and the constant damping for all modes is 5%. We'll click on OK, and then also OK, and OK. So our time history function has been added. In this way, we can add time history in the structure. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.